Bro, Aratanan says 2K kids are your fans. Is that true?
No.
No.
Before 2K Kids is my fan.
And before?
2K Kids.
എന്ത് തേങ്ങ പറയണേ?
ഒരു 90s മുമ്പുള്ള ആൾക്കാരെ സ്നേഹിക്കുന്നതെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു.
90s people loves you.
Yes.
2K kids.
Fool with me.
Okay. പക്ഷെ Aratanan says 2K kids are your big fans.
No. They are not fans. They are sarcastic.
Okay. Then okay. I talk about that your girl. What was the quality of your future wife?
Quality means girl want a driving license.
Okay.
I will marry one girl. The girl must want driving.
You have a license?
Yeah.
You drive?
Yeah.
I can't see.
I have not car, but soon I will take.
You when you are car wangal.
April May month I will take a new car.
Which type of car?
Maruti Suzuki nano types cars.
Oh, my Nano. Why Nano
types car?
You can buy Fortuner.
No, there's my money is very very low. This low type of car I will take.
Second hand will be you get.
I don't now. To 2026 I will take. 2026 I will go Big Boss. I'll take
Fortuner.
Big Boss I will win. I will take
Fortuner.
Yeah.
Okay, then now you will buy a Nano car.
But I will my girl want.
Nano is also a nice car. That we also buy Nano car and get that. It's big something.
That's okay. That's what's why I will propose matrimony. I will announce and paper. I will put marriage details and so many proposals are there. And I will tell not say dowry, not dowry.
Oh, you don't
want dowry? I not want dowry, but the people give any money, any ornaments or car, I will take. Gift.
Not dowry.
Not dowry. It's gift I will take.
Okay, nice. That's very bad. Okay.
Very nice, very bad.
My ambition, dream.
Your ambition is also getting a married girl.
A girl. It is very good looking.
Good looking girl.
A good looking girl.
Okay. What are the
glamoring?
What are the qualities and features of
that girl?
You just before you ask any color you.
But somebody no marriage I will get anyone of the marriage.
Oh.
ആരെ കിട്ടിയില്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇരുതറം കിട്ടാതെ not a party bad.
Okay, well, bro. Then
2026 I will planning to future my business, so many business to Alappuzha district and Thrissur district.
Okay. You said about that. Then
my daddy is retired in this year. In December nulil daddy retired out. Retired.
Okay.
Retired will parjudal. Okay.
Okay.
After 50 years Gulf person almost cancel.
Okay.
Cancel the visa cancel and come to the own country
and take the business and
business. So many huge type of
you said about
money to send to the business, invest to the business. So many planning are there.
How old are you, bro?
What a man.
Everybody asking you are 30 plus.
No man, I am just 24.
24. Is that the perfect age to marry?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I will tell.
What?
ഞാൻ പറയാം.
Okay.
I will tell in Malayalam.
Only.
This is properly. സ്ത്രീകൾക്ക് 18 വയസ്സിൽ 40കാരനെ കെട്ടാമെങ്കിൽ AJP എന്ന എനിക്ക് 24-ാം വയസ്സിൽ കല്യാണം കഴിക്കാം. കാരണം ഉണ്ട്. 21-ാം വയസ്സിൽ ആദർശ് പ്ലീസ് ലിസൺ. 21-ാം വയസ്സിൽ ഒരു പുരുഷന് റൈറ്റ് ടു മാരേജ്. ഇന്ത്യൻ കോൺസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷൻ മാരേജ് ആക്ട് ഇൻ
21 age or
19.
But you
marriage act will come date. You will know.
21 age, I know.
Alla, marriage act will come in which year? You will say.
I don't know.
You know?
No.
19 something.
Okay.
Year is not I will know. After 1990, the law is come. 21 boy, 18 girl to marry. 21 വയസ്സിൽ ആണുങ്ങൾക്കും 18 വയസ്സിൽ സ്ത്രീകൾക്കും കല്യാണം കഴിക്കാം. അതിന് മുന്നേ 18 വയസ്സിന് മുന്നേ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഇല്ലീഗൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ള സംഭവം നടന്നാൽ അത് പോസ്കോ ആയിട്ട് മാറും.
You marry aged girl or young girl? 30 plus.
My dream is young girl, but I will get only real. I will get 30 plus real shooting. Only real shooting. But living is the marriage woman in 22, 27.
27 also you.
Okay, I will okay. I will okay, but that girl is okay. I will okay.
Okay.
Two person to connect with one marriage.
No. Okay.
ഒരു ആണും പെണ്ണിനും പരസ്പരം ഇഷ്ടമുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ ഒരു കല്യാണം നടക്കുള്ളൂ. ഓൺലൈനിൽ ആർക്കും ഇഷ്ടമാണ് ഇഷ്ടമല്ല എന്ന് പറയാം. നേരിട്ട് കണ്ട് സംസാരിച്ച് ഒരു ചായ കുടിച്ചാൽ തീരാവുന്ന പ്രശ്നമുള്ളൂ. Girl come to tea, I will take to tea, then I will drink tea. That happy. Then not leave. After some months we are getting married.
That girl will marry another guy.
No. Girl will be okay with me. Then I will marry.
But not okay. That girl will
not
marry
okay. Not okay. In this year I will definitely I will get married. ഈ വർഷം എങ്ങനെയെങ്കിലും കല്യാണം നടത്തിയെടുക്കണം. കാരണം എന്റെ ഒരു ഇമേജിനെ ബാധിക്കും.
I will my own matrimony. You registered in matrimony.
M4 matrimony. Malayali matrimony. And Manorama classifieds 16th March.
How do you spend that matrimony to?
16th March I will put in my newspaper classifieds.
Oh.
My ad.
Okay.
My ad.
For the girl.
Then that will not work. I will go to Bangalore and America, London, Bombay. I will get girls. One girl. Girls. So many girls are there.
Okay.
But one girl I will select. I will അന്വേഷണം.
Okay.
ഞാൻ അന്വേഷിക്കും.
Your search.
കല്യാണം കഴിക്കാൻ പെണ്ണുങ്ങൾ ആരെയും താല്പര്യമുണ്ടോ എന്ന് അന്വേഷിക്കും. Not in Malayalis. Tamil.
Oh, Tamil.
Telugu.
Why? You know Tamil?
No, it is understanding with me. With the English language.
English language is okay. You are
adjust.
You adjust with the English language.
Okay.
You know Telugu?
No, but I will adjust.
They don't know you.
എന്തായാലും ഇപ്പോൾ nowadays I will അന്വേഷണം with Malayalis.
Okay.
Malayali
people all know you.
But 20-50 girls I will 20 മുതൽ 25 വരെ പെണ്ണുങ്ങളെ കാണും. അത് ഓക്കെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മാത്രം ഞാൻ ബാംഗ്ലൂർ, അമേരിക്ക, ലണ്ടൻ, മുംബൈ, തമിഴ്നാടു, വേളാങ്കണ്ണി കളിയാക്കും. അപ്പൊ അങ്ങനെ പോയിട്ട് എന്തായാലും അന്വേഷണിക്കും. കാരണം കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം റട്ട് സന്തോഷ് ഗെറ്റ് UK.
Oh yeah.
Video call. Okay. That is fake.
You are ego with that guy.
That is fake. I have so many fake are coming.
No, I watched that guys chatting with that girl.
But that girl will come to Kerala and say
next month she will come to Kerala and visit Aratanan.
and the
You will be
purpose.
jealous about that, okay?
Eh?
You will be jealous about that.
No. ഞാൻ എന്തോരം വിടല് കണ്ടെങ്കിലാണ്.
UK.
No. But I will visit. I will meet up with so many girls.
Okay.
ഞാൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഞാൻ പെണ്ണുമായിട്ട് ഒരുമിച്ച് സംസാരിച്ചിട്ടില്ല, മിണ്ടിയിട്ടില്ല എന്നൊന്നും പറയാൻ പറ്റില്ല.
Okay.
പക്ഷെ അതുപോലൊരു സാഹചര്യം പുള്ളിക്ക് വന്നെന്ന് മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. കല്യാണം നടക്കൂ ഇല്ലെന്നുള്ള കണ്ടറിയാം.
Oh.
Ahra to Kalyanam happen. All Indians are very suicide.
You also.
No, not mine. I will so small age person, 24.
Oh.
He is 39 above. He is
So
very age.
So what?
Age over
He is
person.
also young.
Eh?
He is also
He
young.
is younger. 39 is over.
No, bro. Nowadays 39 also is good.
He is
Prithviraj also 44. Fahad Fasil also 44, and that Jayasuriya also 45. That so they are young actors. We called upon the young actors. So Arattana is also young.
എനിക്കറിയില്ല, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അറിയാമായിരിക്കും. പോരെ.
That's young superstars. Arattana also young superstar.
Yeah. Arattana will get married to a 28% age.
28%.
28 age lady. That is very nice. You tell.
It's okay.
Okay, why?
He also.
He 39,
Yeah.
28.
It's okay. What? Then Fahad Fasil also.
His life is
Fahad
very.
Fasil and Nasriya difference is very. His difference is very.
90s could be live to so many things. That girl will okay. That things.
That girl okay. Arattana also okay. Sorry, the girl okay. Arattana is okay with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
My dream is very different. Quiet nature and simplicity person to I will manage.
Okay.
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 Thank you.
Don't worry.